India Foundation in year 2020-22, as well as the Outstanding Teacher Award in year 2022 for the academic year 22-23 from RIF. On the behalf of the School of Computer Science Engineering Department and the NLP Research Group, I extend our heartfelt gratitude to Dr. Srinivasulu for joining us today. Without a further ado, let us commence this expert talk with the enthusiasm and eagerness to explore new horizons in NLP research area. Thank you, sir. Please continue.
Yeah, thank you, madam, for a nice introduction. A warm welcome to one-day international expert talk on natural language processing applications. Today, I'm going to demonstrate various applications of NLP by using AI and machine learning and deep learning techniques. So I'm going to demonstrate practicals on various applications. Sir, please record the session, sir.
Started, sir.
Thank you. Yeah. So I'm a corporate trainer and who are having 10 years of experience in the field of data science, AI, natural language processing, machine learning, deep learning. So I'm giving a training for industry people. So the first question is, my dear students and faculty members, within 60 seconds, what is happening? How many users are connected to this internet world? What is internet? Network of networks. What is network? Interconnection between the computers in the fashion of local area network, wide area network, and metropolitan area network. Internet is developed by Bold Bernard Newman. WWW stands for World Wide Web. It is developed by Tim Berners-Lee. And email, Ray Tomlinson for communication purpose. Why I am explaining? This is the jargon of internet, World Wide Web. Within 60 seconds, what is happening? 6,94,444 hours watched in the Netflix. 3.8 million search queries in Google. 1 million logging in Facebook. 4.5 million videos viewed. 1.8 million emails sent. That means where the data is coming from. How many servers are required to store huge volume of data? So my question is, how many users are connected within 60 seconds? How do we can calculate the statistics? Okay, so by using this formula like www.internetlivestats.com. If you are having internet, you can type this URL. You come to know how many users are connected to it in the internet world. Can you read this number? See, 5,306,169,641 internet users in the world connected right now. Total number of websites, how many users are connected? Email sent today, Google searches today, blog post written today, tweet sent today. That means if you want to see the statistics of World Wide Web within 60 seconds, this is the URL you need to use. And the same thing I have incorporated in this slide. If number of users are increasing, automatically your data center also increases. So we are introducing cloud computing concept in order to store a huge volume of data. The backbone for cloud computing is data center and virtualization. What is data center? Collection of interconnected high computing servers at one place is called data center. Each company having their own data center. And virtualization is the ability to perform multiple tasks in a single system with the help of virtualization technologies like VMware, Hypervisor, Zen, Virtualiron. So today's topic is natural language processing, but Usually I'm a corporate trainer and a head research, and I used to give a data science training program. Under this, 13 subjects are involved, one among a natural language processing, 8th subject. Today I am going to explain and demonstrate various applications of natural language processing. So my question is, once again, my dear students, if you press capital A in the keyboard, system can understand as it is? No. So internally it converts into ASCII value of capital A is 67. So if you divide it by 2, you are getting binary equivalent number is 100001. That means, how do we measure the data in terms of bits, bytes, kilobytes, megabytes, gigabytes, terabytes? See here, 1 bit is equal to 0 or 1, 4 bits is equal to 1 nibble, 8 bits is equal to 1 byte, 4 bytes is equal to 1 word, 4 words equal to 1024 bytes, 1024 bytes is equal to 1 kilobyte, 1024 kilobyte is equal to 1 megabyte, 1024 megabyte is 1 gigabyte, 1024 gigabytes is equal to 1 terabyte, 1024 terabytes equal to 1 petabytes, 1024 petabytes equal to 1 hexabyte, 1024 hexabyte is equal to 1 octabyte, 1024 octabyte is equal to 1 zettabyte, 1024 zettabyte is equal to 1 yottabyte. Hi, I'm Robo. My speed is 1 terabytes and my memory is 1 zettabyte. Thanks to director Shankar and hero Rajni sir, they have introduced this terminology in that movie. Before that Robo movie, we don't know the terminology, how do we pronunciate, and is there any other terminology presented or not. So after that movie, we came to know there are a huge volume of data, measuring the data in a natural language processing in order to processing. So yesterday night I searched in the Google, there are 2 more terminologies presented. 1024 yottabyte is equal to 1 brontobyte. 1024 brontobyte is equal to 1 geobyte. So 1024 geobytes is equal to infinity. This is the way we are measuring the data in natural language processing. And the same way we can do in the mathematical range, mathematical terminology. 1 kilobyte is 10 power 3, 1 megabyte is 10 power 6, 1 gigabyte is 10 power 9, 1 terabyte is 10 power 12, and petabyte is 10 power 15, hexabyte is 10 power 18, zettabyte is 10 power 21, yottabyte is 10 power 24, brontobyte is 10 power 27, geobyte is 10 power 30. This is the way we are measuring the data in mathematical terminology and in measuring the data in natural language processing. So there is a very interesting question. What is the question? When is our death date? How do we calculate and how do we write a program? When is our death date? Very interesting question. See, so what is the solution for this one? So the solution is, there is a model called in Python life to vector. This is called AI model, utilizes advanced natural language processing and deep learning techniques to generate vector representations that captures and contextually rich information about various aspects of life. So that model predicts our death date based on the inputs like biological data, lifestyle factors, environmental influences to predict an individual's potential lifespan. So we are giving input as biological data, maybe date of birth, height, weight, hobbies, the food, the lifestyle factors, genes, the way you are taking food, exercises, consuming various types of groceries, etc. These are the input parameters we are giving to the system, My system model is life to vector. And finally, I am getting the output is lifespan. That is number of years. So by utilizing advanced natural language processing tools and techniques, so now I'm demonstrating this one as a practicals. This is the application. See, for this application, I'm demonstrating write a Python program, how a potential lifespan prediction can be made based on various input factors such as biological data, lifestyle factors, and genetic information. So I'm importing life to vector, importing matplotlib for generating visualizations. For creating model, we are using life to vector, and NumPy. For numerics, we need to calculate. So first we are defining function a predict lifespan based on input data, then placeholder for prediction logic, and random lifespan prediction. Then input data we are giving like gender, male, blood group, and cholesterol, date of birth, height, weight. So predict lifespan, plot the prediction. See, now I am going to execute this program. Please see here, my screen is visible. Sir, please acknowledge me. My screen is visible, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is the program I have written, and this is the program. Write a Python program. Demonstrate how a potential lifespan prediction can be made based on various input factors such as biological data, lifestyle factors, and genetic algorithm. So I have already explained this program. We are giving different types of input data like gender, male, blood type, blood, blood group, cholesterol, date of birth, height, weight, etc. Now I am executing this program. Please see here, lifespan. So I have given the file name as lifespan. So now see, it is generating based on my input data. It is predicted 72 years. That means right now my age is 45. So I'm predicting my death date year 72 year. So if you increase number of constraints, and it can give correct our death date. Okay, so actual lifespan and predicted lifespan. By using various advanced natural language processing techniques, we are demonstrating. My dear students.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so my screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
So everybody comfortable in Python programming?
Yes, sir.
Oh, then it's fine. So I'm going to share with you this type of programs. Don't worry. Today I am going to demonstrate various practical applications. So this is the graph I have generated. My lifespan is 72 years. So I can predict my death date by using advanced natural language processing techniques. So there are best pack of artificial intelligence and natural language processing tools. Paid version and free version. We have paid version like ChatGPT-4 for ideation, for creating idea, for creating images. We have Bing Create, Meeting Note Maker, Laxis, Video Generator, Tika Labs, AI Transcript. So R is AI, speech to text. You can use Audi Open. It is a free open source natural language processing tool. Speech to text, you can convert any type of data like Hindi to English, Hindi to Telugu. Then chart generator, you can use two-shot AI. For designing purpose, we are using Microsoft Designer. For writing purpose, we are using Write Sonic. Avatar generator, we are using Footer. So welcome to natural language processing. So far, I have explained the introduction part of natural language processing. These are the 10 topics I am going to generate today. What is tokenization? Parts of speech tagging, that is called POS tagging. Named entity recognition, that is called NER. What is parsing? Sentiment analysis, text classification, by using machine learning and deep learning techniques, machine translation, word embeddings, language modeling, and information retrieval. So these are the today's topic agenda with the practical session. So, sir, I don't know natural language processing. So it helps us computers communicate with the humans in their own language, like in Telugu, suppose Hindi, and scales other language related tasks. So from Hindi to Telugu, I'm converting one language to another language by using natural language processing tools. For example, NLP makes it possible for computers to read the text and hear speech, and it can interpret it, measures the sentiment, and determine which parts are important. It can convert one language to another language, it can convert speech to text, text to speech. Various types of applications we are generating with help of natural language processing tools and techniques. So in NLP, it involves the use of artificial intelligence. Intelligent behavior in a machine is called artificial intelligence. There are various types of humanoid robots like Siri, Alexa, okay, Asimo. These are the humanoid robots, and chatbots like Siri, Alexa. These are the chatbots, voice-based recognition intelligent machines. Then machine learning, learning from the observational techniques by using supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. And deep learning is nothing but learning from the observational data with a deep manner by increasing n number of input and hidden layers, and in between we are using activation function, dropout, and hyperparameter tuning parameters. And these are the techniques to enable computer to understand the text or speech, and interpreting text or speech, and generate a human language like Hindi, Telugu, Tamil, Kannada, Kerala, and Malayalam, various languages. So both in meaningful and contextually relevant. So how the evolution of NLP, natural language processing, like past how it is, and present what we are using, in future what it would be. See here, so NLP has been a progression from a rule-based system. Rule-based system is nothing but we are developing expert system with the help of if-then rules. If-then rules, we are building a rule-based system, and we are applying statistical methods for regression analysis. And more recently, we are using deep learning techniques and machine learning techniques, now leading to significant advancements in language understanding. And like China, I don't know, but with the help of translators, I can understand China movies. And we are generation and interaction with the computers. So these are the evolution of natural language processing. So terminology. So you must know, my dear students, you must know it jargon of natural language processing. Jargon is nothing but terminology related to natural language processing. So there are 7 important terminology I am going to explain. Phonology. What is the meaning of phonology? So the study of sounds. Sound is organized systematically. So that is called phonology. And what is meant by morphology? Morphology is nothing but study of how meaningful words are constructed from primitive units. That is called morphology. Morpheme. What is the meaning of morpheme? It is the unit of meaning in a language. Like Hindi, aap kaun hai. So there is a meaning in a sentence, that is called morpheme. Then syntax. Syntax is nothing but the rules and regulations of a particular language like Hindi, English, and programming languages syntaxes are different, and natural languages like Hindi, English, and Telugu, these languages are having a different syntaxes. Then semantics is nothing but meaning of the word, meaning of the sentence, meaning of the paragraph, meaning of the textbook. So that is any context, textual or speech or any types of combines words so that it converts into meaningful phrases and sentences. So that is called a meaning of the word or a sentence is called semantics. Pragmatics. So pragmatics is the branch that deals with the how the sentences should be interpreted. That means how do you understand that sentence or paragraph according to different situations. That is called pragmatics. Then world knowledge. World knowledge means everybody can understand that language. That is called general knowledge about the world. Right now I'm in Australia. I used to speak British English, but in Australia, some parts, in Australians having their own local language, English. It is a little bit different. Their accent is, we cannot understand their accent such a fast they are speaking English. But we can understand the UK English is very fluently because UK, I mean, UK people ruled our country and they have given the fantastic communication language called English. So these are the 7 terminology of natural language processing. All these terminology will help you in understanding and implementation of natural language processing applications. If you see natural language processing, see managing human computer dialogue system, then machine perception, and a natural language generation, natural language classifier, natural language understanding. So let's have a look at some examples of how machine translation helps businesses. If you see Google Translate, see this is it handles translation of more than 1,000 billion words every day. So that is a tool called Google Translate. Facebook, now Meta uses MT to enable the automatic translation of posts and comments in Facebook. Then MT allows eBay to process cross-border transactions and connect buyers and sellers worldwide. Then Microsoft pioneers. It is one of the mission translation for helping business people. So it is a translation mechanism powered by artificial intelligence and aimed at helping Android and iOS operating system users who are using a mobile and laptop. They can access and convenient translations. Okay, so these are the some of the examples of latest examples of natural language processing. See, if you are speaking, how are you? But the system cannot take as it is. How are you? H. It reads, each letter reads as a ASCII value of H, and the capital A value is 67, small a value is 97. If you divided by 2 of 68, you are getting binary equivalent number is 100001. Then system understands, oh, you have pressed capital A. Like that, internally it can process ASCII format. Then how NLP works? So there are 5 steps it uses: lexical analysis, syntax analysis, and semantic analysis, and discourse analysis, and pragmatic analysis. So usually this natural language processing algorithms, techniques to process and analyze a human language data, it is extracting meaningful information and enabling computers to understand, interpret, and generate text to speech, speech to text. The first step, lexical analysis. See here, lexi means it is the smallest individual unit of a given string. L is a one lexi, E is a one lexi. Okay, so it categorizes the entire input text into words, sentences, and paragraphs. So then syntax analysis. Syntax means grammatically whether the sentence is correct or not. We are checking commas and full stop and any exclamatory symbol, like it analyzes, check the input text for grammatical errors. It's called a syntax analysis. Then semantic analysis. Suppose you are declaring int a is equal to 3. So that means a, we have assigned a 3 value to the a. It is a meaning of the statement. NLP checks whether the text holds a meaning or not. Then discourse integration is nothing but the meaning of any sentence is greatly affected by its preceding sentences. That is called discourse integration. Pragmatic analysis I have already explained. So the analyzed text is integrated with the real world knowledge. That means everybody can understanding general knowledge for extracting the actual meaning of the text. These are the 5 steps we are using how NLP works. Okay, I have explained the 5 steps. Then see the natural language processing applications where we are using. So in the translation, one language to another language, and autocorrect and natural to neutral, and summarization, automatic text summarization, chatbots, conversational AI, virtual agent for reporting, marketing, and clinical, semantic and sentiment analysis, positive. We are generating various types of applications like language models, parts of speech tagging, optical character recognition. These are the natural language processing evaluating the NLP industry. If you see the natural language resources, where we are getting resources of NLP data, it encompasses wide range of linguistic data. What is meant by linguistic data, my dear students? Study of different languages is called a linguistic. So I don't know China, I don't know Japanese, but I would like to learn with alphabets, then grammar, then how to write and how to speech, how to listen. So study of different languages is called a linguistic data. It including the resources of natural language processing. It encompasses wide range of linguistic, corpora, lexicons, grammars, and annotated text. These are the various resources essential for tasks such as natural language processing and understanding. Okay, so then if you see the NLP is one of the descriptive technology under AI, artificial intelligence. So you can perform various applications like a sentiment analysis, you can perform information retrieval, then mission translation, then information extraction, and the question answering. These are the 5 major applications we are developing under natural language processing by applying artificial and machine and deep learning techniques. Then what are the natural language principles? So there are various principles are involved to enable computers to understand the context, to interpret the sentence, and generate a human language like Hindi, English, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam. So we are processing, and finally we are getting a knowledge base that is called source content, and we are storing in the data center. So these are the principles we are using. What are the natural language processing tasks? There are 5 important tasks we are aiming this computational techniques and algorithms to understand the text, to analyze the video, to generating graphs and manipulating human language, Hindi, English, Telugu. So that's why we are using 5 major applications like information retrieval, sentiment analysis, mission translation, information extraction, and question answering. So these are the 5 tasks we are performing, like language generation, answering questions, text classification, sentiment analysis, mission translation. These are the 5 tasks we are performing. So these are the natural language processing techniques evolving in the NLP industry. So every beginner, my dear students, if you want to settle as an NLP engineer, so this workshop you need to utilize you need to understand, you need to get the internship with the help of this knowledge. Today, my aim is to give you sufficient knowledge on natural language processing and how to develop application by using Python programming. If you are a beginner, you need to start with NLP engineer. You must know these techniques. What is tokenization? Why we are using? What is lemmatization, stemming, parts of tagging, word embeddings? I am explaining and demonstrating with practicals. And dependency parsing and topic modeling, term frequency, named entity recognition, text summarization, language translation, text classification, sentiment analysis. The first one, if you see tokenization, what is the meaning of tokenization? Token is nothing but smallest individual unit of a given string. That means breaking down into text into smaller linguistic units such as words, phrases, or characters to facilitate analysis. That is called tokenization. Then parts of speech and tagging, that is called POS tagging, assigning grammatical labels like noun, verb, adjective to each word in a sentence to analyze its syntactic structure. That means grammatically correct or not. Then named entity recognition, that is also called as NER. It is identify and categorizing named entities. Examples, names of people. So Narendra Modi, sir. It is the names of people, organization like Galgotia University, location, Noida, within the text data. So we are identifying and we are categorizing by using natural language processing tools and techniques. Then parsing. Parsing is nothing but analyzing grammatical structure of sentences to understand the relationship between words, phrases, often represented as a parse tree. That is called parsing. We are classifying, suppose A plus B. So plus is a root node, A is a left node, B is a right node. That is called a parsing tree. Then sentiment analysis is nothing but, so we are determining the emotional tone. See how Barack Obama or Joe Biden won the elections because of sentiment analysis. Now in Andhra Pradesh, elections are happening. So all politicians are giving some like boons. They are giving sentiment tasks for public people. So that's why that sentiment expressed in text data such as positive, negative, neutral, etc. Then text classification. So categorize text documents into predefined classes or categorize based on their own content, often used for tasks or like spam detection. In Gmail account, you can see the spam detection. This is one of the best example for text classification, topic classification, sentiment analysis. Then mission translation means we are converting from one language to another language, like Hindi to Telugu, Telugu to Hindi. So recently Triple R and Pushpa movies you might have seen. So Telugu to Hindi they have converted using computational techniques such as statistical models and neural networks, especially recurrent neural networks and LSTM, long short-term memory technique, LSTM. These are the powerful techniques in deep learning we are using in the mission translation. Then word embeddings, representing words dense vectors in a continuous vector space. That means we are capturing the semantic similarities between words and facilitating machine learning tasks in natural language processing. Then language modeling. Model is nothing but simplified version of the reality. We are predicting the probability of a sequence of words occurring in a given context, like essential for a task like speech recognition, like Hindi speech given by the Narendra Modi sir. So we are developing a language model for Narendra Modi sir. Wherever, whenever he speaks, my system will recognize this is a Narendra Modi sir speech. Like that, mission translation, and text generation. Sort of applications we can develop under natural language processing. Then finally, information retrieval. We are retrieving text or audio, video, graphics, animation, and documents or passages from a large corpus of text based on user queries, often used in search engines or question answering system, etc. Then see, first tokenization I am going to demonstrate. Tokenization is the process of breaking a system, breaking a stream of text up text up into words, phrases, symbols, or other meaningful elements known as tokens. Now see, write a Python program to perform tokenization using the NLTK package. Now I am executing first program. Please see, my dear friends. See, my screen is visible. Hello, sir, please.
Yes, sir.
So first, see, you need to clear the screen. Which version you are using Python? I am using latest version 3.12.2. My dear students, you just go to Google and you can type Python software, click it, and it is a 23 MB file. You can install in your system. You can start performing Python natural language applications by using Python. So Python is developed by Guido van Rossum from Netherlands. Python can be executed in two ways. One is IDLE. This is called IDLE, and one more is scripting way. In order to clear the screen of IDLE, you need to give command like import space OS dot system of CLS. System of CLS. Clear the screen. Now see, I'm clearing the screen. So here you can execute very simple programs like addition of two numbers. C is equal to A plus B. See, very simple. Like this is called IDLE. Same program can be executed in a scripting way. You need to give the command like quit. So now I'm quitting the IDLE. Now I have moved to scripting way. Now first program tokenization I'm executing. Notepad space NLP first program. See here, all of you, my screen is visible. Yeah, write a Python program to perform tokenization using the natural language toolkit. So you need to install a package called NLTK. Pip install. See, this is the command you need to use. NLTK. Okay. NLTK package you need to install. Pip install NLTK. I have already installed. It is saying. Now I am executing Python space NLP1. See, now first program tokenization. So I am executing first tokenization. I have given example. This is an example of tokenization. So this is a one word. Is a one word. An is a one word. Example of tokenization. If you see in my program, what I am doing, import NLTK, download necessary NLTK data, then NLTK.download a punctuation package from NLTK.tokenize, import word underscore tokenize, text equal to this is an example of tokenization, and the tokens is equal to word tokenizer and text. Finally, I'm printing output is this is an example of tokenization. Now see, same thing I have executed in this program. This is an example of tokenization. Next program. Now complete practicals only I am going to demonstrate. Second one, lemmatization. What is the meaning of lemmatization? It is the process of reducing a word to its base or root form called a lemma. Stemming is a similar process, but it often results in words that are not actual words. Write a Python program to perform lemmatization using the natural language toolkit. I'm importing NLTK and download the necessary NLTK library, and I'm taking out. I'm running the program print lemmatization. So what it does? So I'm printing whether my program is running or ran, etc. So now see, I am going to execute second program. So I need to open whether the program is there or not. Because of time, I have already executed these programs. Write a Python program to perform lemmatization using the NLTK. So now I am executing a second program, lemmatization, Python space NLP2. See, so now it is going to execute. So lemmatization, yes means yes, my program is running. See here, my screen is visible. All of you, my dear students or faculty members, my
Yes, sir.
screen is visible. Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
this is called lemmatization. Next one. So next one is stemming. What is the meaning of stemming in natural language processing? Stemming refers to the process of reducing a word to its base or root form. This often done grouped together different forms of a word, so they can be analyzed together as a single item. Write a Python program to perform stemming using NLTK library. So what I am doing? Import NLTK from NLTK.stem import porter stemmer equal to porter stemmer, print stemmer.stem of running. So it gives output run, print stemmer.stem of runner. It gives output is runner. Now I am executing third program. I need to open first notepad space NLTP3. So this is the program. So now I am executing Python space NLP3. So now it is see run and runner. This is the output I got it from this stemming. Then parts of speech tagging. If you see what is the meaning of parts of speech tagging, so that is called a POS. Tagging is the process of marking each word in a text with its corresponding POS tag. Write a Python program to perform POS tagging using the NLTK. So for this program, I have written import NLTK, NLTK.download averaged perception tagger from NLTK import POS underscore tag, all libraries from NLTK.tokenize import word tokenizer. I'm taking text. Example, I am learning NLP techniques in Python. See, this is the text I have given. How do you want to do parts of speech tagging? Finally, I'm getting the output like I PRP, AM, verb, learning, VBG, NLP, techniques in Python. See, now parts of speech, I am demonstrating this practical application. Now see, so notepad space NLP4 program. Write a Python program to perform POS, parts of speech tagging using the NLTK. Now I am executing this program, Python space NLP4. So I'm getting the output. See, my screen is visible, sir.
Yes,
See,
sir.
I got,
Yes, sir.
yeah, I got the output. I am learning uh, uh, natural language processing techniques in Python. See how it is divided parts of speech. Okay. So next program, next concept is fifth one is named entity recognition. So named entity recognition means it is identifying and classifying named entities in a text into predefined categories such as person, names, organization, locations, medical codes, time expressions, quantities, monetary values, percentages, etc. For this one, I am writing the program. Write a Python program to perform named entity recognition using NLTK library. So the first and foremost important library in natural language processing is NLTK. So I'm importing the NLTK library, then example text. See, I'm taking the text. Barack Obama was born in Hawaii. This is the text I have given. Download the NLTK data, then tokenize the text, then parts of speech tagging, named entity recognition. Now I am executing this program. See, I am executing this program, CLS to clear the screen, notepad space, NLP5. So this is the program, write a Python program to perform named entity recognition. So now I'm executing this program, NLP5, named entity. See, it is identifying Barack Obama. So Barack Obama born in Hawaii. It is recognizing. See, Barack Obama was born in Hawaii, NNP. So like this, you need to execute. Named entity recognition. Next, the sixth one is sentiment analysis. Sentiment analysis, it is the process of determining the emotional tone behind a piece of text, whether it is positive or negative or neutral. Suppose Narendra Modi sir giving the speech like sentiment, Beti Padavo, Beti Bachao. So that is the example. Suppose you are taking, write a Python program to perform sentiment analysis using the NLTK. So what I am doing, I am importing NLTK and I am downloading the necessary NLTK data, then example text and text data I have taken. I love this product. It's amazing. This is the text I have taken. Then SIA, I'm taking sentiment intensity analyzer, then perform sentiment analysis. Whether this statement is positive or negative or depends on the situation, how you are saying that sentiment. See now. So notepad space, whether that program is there or not, you need to check before going to execute. Okay. So now write a Python program to perform sentiment analysis using NLTK. Sorry, NLTK program, NLTK library. So now I am executing this program, Python space NLP6. I'm executing a sentiment analysis. So now the sentiment is negative. See, it is giving a negative or positive. So based on the values I can say. So 73% it is a positive feedback. And a compound statement is 85% I am getting. Likewise, I can predict whether the sentiment is positive or negative. Okay. Next, text classification. Right. See, what is meant by text classification? Text classification is the process of assigning predefined categories or tags to a piece of text. So that's why maybe textbook text classification. You are downloading text. I want only diagrams. You can extract only diagrams. So I want only text from the movie. So classification. Write a Python program to perform text classification using the scikit-learn. What is meant by scikit-learn? Scikit-learn is a library. It is used to perform machine learning applications and deep learning applications. What I am doing in this program, import pandas. Pandas is a library in order to understand the data set, what I am giving. How many rows, how many columns, how many instances are presented in the table or data set. Then sklearn library I am using. Then first I am creating the data set. My dear students, my data is, this is a positive text, this is a negative text, and the label is positive or negative. So I am doing text classification. What I am doing? Create a count vectorizer object, then transform the text column, then create a multinomial NB object, then fit the model, then test the model. My text is, this is a neutral text. Then finally, I'm printing the output. So 7th program I'm going to demonstrate. So notepad space NLP7. So write a Python program to perform text classification using the scikit-learn. So now what I'm doing, I'm executing the program NLP7. So this is called a text classification. See, my text is negative. Based on, depends on the text, what I have given, I got the output is negative. Next, 8th natural language processing technique is language translation. So language translation is the process of converting text from one language to another language. So what I am doing, write a Python program to perform language translation in Python using the Google Trans library. So I am learning NLP techniques in Python text. How it is converted into other language. So if you see the translated text in mission translation, how the mission is understanding this word. I am learning NLP techniques in Python. It is giving, see, J operands. So J operands techniques, NLP in Python. So how do we execute a language translation? So I'm going to demonstrate this application. Okay. So notepad space NLP8. This is the 8th program. Write a Python program to perform language translation in Python using the Google Trans library. So now I'm converting English to French. Okay. So now I am executing this program Python space NLP8.py. Now it is translated from English to another language. Okay. So that is called a mission translation. Now I will execute 2 more programs under this one at the last. Then text summarization. What is the meaning of a text summarization? Is the process of condensing a piece of text to its main points. Like write a Python program to perform text summarization in Python. What I am doing, split the text into sentences using a simple regular expression, remove empty sentences, then calculate the score for each sentence based on the number of words it contains, then tokenize the input text into sentences, calculate the scores for each sentence, and sort sentences by score and select the top ones, then recorder the top sentences based on their order in the original text, generate the summary by joining the top sentences. I'm taking the input text like text summarization is the process of condensing a piece of text to its main points. Then perform text summarization, print the final summary. So this is the program I'm executing. Next, 9th program, notepad space NLP9. So write a Python program to perform text summarization in Python. So Python space NLP9. See, I got the text summarization. The main points I have extracted text summarization. The goal of summarization is to create a condensed version that retains the most important information from the original text. Extraction based methods select a subset of the words from the original text, while abstraction based methods generate a new summary by using a model trained on the original text. Like this, we have executed text summarization. Now I'm moving to word embeddings. Word embeddings examples: word to vector and glow vector. Word embeddings are a type of word representation that allows words with similar meaning to have a similar representation. Write a Python program to perform word to vector algorithm in Python without using any external libraries. What I am doing, I am importing NumPy as a library. I am declaring class word2vector. Then I am performing a function like initialization. Then I am using update weights function. Then define a data set. My data set is, this is a positive text, this is negative text. This is a neutral text. Train the model and access the trained model's word vector. Now this program, finally I'm getting positive value. See now I'm executing 10th program, notepad space NLP 10. So this is a write a Python program to perform word to vector algorithm in Python without using any external libraries. Now see this program I am executing, Python space, see here, NLP 10. So now I have executed this positive value. Okay. So like this, and 11th topic is, okay. Next 11th topic, 10th topic is completed. Now dependency parsing. What is the meaning of dependency parsing? It is the process of analyzing the grammatical structure of sentence based on the dependencies between the words in the sentence. Write a Python program to perform dependency parsing using the Spacey library. See, I am importing library called Spacey, load the model, and define a sentence. My sentence is, I am learning NLP techniques in Python. Apply dependency parsing and finally output. See, I got output like this. Okay, I am clearing the screen. Notepad space NLP 11. Okay, so write a Python program to perform dependency parsing using the Spacey library. Now I am executing a program. Okay, dependency, see, Python space NLP 11. Now I am executing this program. Please see the output. See now. See, I have done the output of this program. So now you got it, dependency parsing. See, my screen is visible, madam. Dependency parsing. I am learning NLP techniques in Python, etc. Next, 12th program, topic modeling. So what is meant by topic modeling? It is a method used in natural language processing to identify patterns and topics in a text corpus. That means data. One popular technique for topic modeling is latent Dirichlet allocation, LDA, which uses a statistical model to discover latent topics in a set of documents. Now I am writing a program. See here, write a Python program to perform topic modeling using latent Dirichlet allocation in Python, utilizing the scikit-learn library to identify latent topics within a set of text documents and display the top words associated with each discovered topic. Topic modeling. See here, I am importing sklearn. Okay, that is scikit-learn library. Sample documents I'm taking. These are the sample documents. Natural language processing. It concerns NLP techniques. One popular technique. LDA uses statistical model. It is widely used in natural language processing. These are the sample documents I'm taking. Vectorize the text. Then build a latent Dirichlet allocation model. Then print the topics. Now it will print the topic names. Now see, I'm going to execute 12th program, notepad space, NLP 12. So write a Python program to perform, okay, topic modeling. So same program I'm executing, Python space, NLP 12. So now it is giving a topic modeling. See, first topic 1. Natural latent LDA processing allocation. Topic 2, natural processing set uses documents. Topic 3, language computers NLP AIM techniques. So next we are moving to 13th topic is term frequency, TF. So what is meant by term frequency? TF. It is a measure of how often a term appears in a document. It is commonly used in information retrieval and text mining. The TF and IDF. IDF is nothing but term frequency and inverse document frequency, IDF. It is a weighting scheme that assigns a weight to each term in document based on its TF and IDF. Write a Python program to perform how to calculate the term frequency of a document. So first what I am doing, from collections import counter, then I'm doing example document like this is an example document. It contains several words such as example and a document. Then we are tokenize the document, count the frequency of each token, print the term frequency. How many times each term occurred, that is called term frequency, CLS. So CLS is nothing but clear the screen, notepad space, NLP 13. So this is the write a Python program to perform how to calculate the term frequency of a document. So same program I am executing right now, Python space NLP 13. So see, this occurs only one time, is occurs only one time, and each word occurs one time. Example occurs one time, document occurs one time, it occurs one time. That means the term how many times it is occurred. So these are the 13th term frequency. Now I'm moving to last technique. Term frequency, I have a bag of words. Next one is a bag of words. That is the 14th one. Bag of words is nothing but it is a one of the natural language. It is a natural language processing refers to a technique that represents a text data by counting the frequency of words in a document. See now without library, like write a Python program to demonstrate bags of words. Technique in natural language processing, where it constructs an occurrence matrix for a given document by counting the frequency of each word in the text, facilitating analysis and the processing of text data. So first I'm from a collections import counter, then convert the text to lowercase, remove punctuation, then process the text, tokenize the text, count word frequent occurrences, then input text. My input text is natural language processing. Then create bags of words. So that is BOW. Display the bags of word. Now see the 14th program I am executing. 14th program. How many times it occurred? Notepad space NLP 14. Okay. Write a Python program to demonstrate the implementation of the bags of words. Now see, I'm executing Python space NLP 14. Okay. See now, natural, how many times it occurred? 2 times. Language occurs how many times? 2 times. Remaining all words occurs, processing is 1 time, NLP 1 time, like that. So these are the 14 techniques of natural language processing I have demonstrated successfully. So what are the advantages of NLP? We can increase the efficiency. We can insight extraction. We can extract meaningful and interested analytics and knowledgeable data we can extract by using NLP. And we can do personalization purpose also, recommendations. We can use global communication. I want to talk to Chinese people by using this NLP. That is one more advantage, global communication, improved customer experience. So round the clock support, enhancing customer satisfaction and engagement. These are the advantages. So unleashing the power of natural language processing. We can do the text understanding, sentiment analysis, language translation, question answering system, information extraction, language understanding in healthcare, text generation, improving accessibility. These all are advantages of NLP. Next, tools. What are the tools are available? NLTK is one of the best tool. You can download NLTK in Python. You can do many applications like tokenization, parsing, and classification. Spacey is a one more Python library in order to perform pre-trained models named entity recognition and dependency parsing. We are using Spacey library. TensorFlow and natural language processing. These are the frameworks we are using in order to perform big data and machine learning and deep learning applications like text classification, sequence tagging, and language modeling, and hugging and face transformers. So it is one more tool you can install and you can perform various applications, NLP tasks accessible via the transformers library in Python. Then these are the various tools. See here for NLP tools like for a tokenization purpose, we can use topic modeling, parts of speech tagging, named entity recognition, machine translation, sentiment analysis, and text classification. What are the famous techniques? So 14 techniques I have explained right now. Tokenization, NER, sentiment analysis, text summarization, machine translation. So these are the various techniques I have explained, text classification, named entity recognition, sentiment analysis, and machine translation, term frequency, inverse document frequency, backs of words, topic modeling, lemmatization, stemming, word embedding, step words removal, etc. So these are the natural language processing techniques. I have explained 14 techniques. These techniques with the practical demonstration I have explained. What are the use cases of NLP? Who are using? Translation application, all industries they are using. Fake news detection, they are using NLP. Classifying emails like spam detection, one of the application we are using NLP. Predicting disease, we are using NLP. Error detection, internet voice recording application, sentiment analysis. My dear students, personal voice assistant, you can do internship in these applications, these 8 applications. Okay, IVR application, sentiment analysis, personal voice assistant, etc. Then these are the famous applications like in search engines, we are using NLP, virtual assistants like Alexa, Siri, we are using NLP, social media analysis, healthcare, especially in COVID-19 virus detection, prediction, e-commerce like Flipkart and Amazon, we are using NLP. And these are the various applications. See, my dear students, as internship and a mini project, you can select any one topic like email filtering, sentiment analysis, chatbots. You can develop your own chatbot application, social media monitoring, automatic summarization, predictive text, online searches, document analysis, smart assistant, language translation. So these are the top 10 applications for natural language processing. Now I'm going to demonstrate practical session, natural language processing applications using AI, ML, and DL techniques. The first application is automated translation system. Now I'm going to demonstrate sentiment analysis, chatbots and virtual assistants, text summarization software, named entity recognition. Okay, so these are the various applications. Chatbots, email filtering, language translation, sentiment analysis, predictive text summarization, smart assistant, and AES, etc. Then sixth application, top 10 applications of NLP. Speech recognition applications, information extraction tools, question answering system, document classification software, language modeling libraries, etc. Now I am demonstrating. See, write a Python program to demonstrate how to use the Google Trans library in Python to translate English text into Telugu language. Okay, so now what I am doing, from Google Trans import the translator, define translate to Telugu translator. Now English text I'm giving hello, how are you? I'm translate to Telugu. It will convert into Telugu. Finally, I'm getting the output. Now see English language to Telugu, because see notepad space English to Telugu. Okay, write a Python program is to demonstrate how to use the Google Trans library in Python to translate English text into Telugu language. So now I am executing Python space English to Telugu. Now see, hello, how are you? I have given English. Hello, how are you? In Telugu, hello, మీరు ఎలా ఉన్నారు? Hello, మీరు ఎలా ఉన్నారు? Now same one more application I am demonstrating Hindi. English to Hindi. See now, notepad space English to Hindi. See, write a Python program is to demonstrate how to use the Google Trans library in Python to translate English text into Hindi language. So now I am demonstrating this one, Python space English to Hindi. Now see, I have given English, hello, how are you? Hindi, namaste, aap kaise hai? So like this, you can develop mission translation applications, n number of applications. Okay, so like this, you can demonstrate. Hello, is there somebody is talking? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Continue, sir.
Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir. Please continue, sir.
Yeah. So like this, we can demonstrate n number of applications. One more application you can execute to create a Python program for automated translation using pre-trained models like Google Translate, DeepL, and Microsoft Translator. We will use the Google Trans library for Google Translate and the Transformers library for DeepL and Microsoft Translator. So like this, so I am import Matplotlib, time, and Google Translator. What I am doing in this one, perform translations, okay, various tools. Then plotting accuracy, plotting loss, plotting precision, like this, plotting time complexity, and French, greeting graphs, sample data for accuracy, sample data for loss, and sample data for precision, execution time, etc. So I have executed this program in Google Colab, and it is generated accuracy versus time, then loss versus time, then precision versus time, then time complexity in seconds, then these are. Hello, my dear students and my dear faculty members. See, this is my YouTube channel. You can just go to YouTube, just go to YouTube. Type all of you. If you are having mobile phone, please open. 1 minute. Yeah, please open all of you. www.youtube.com. Please, doctor, type my name, Dr. Asadi. My dear students, so many 250 videos I have explained. Dr. Asadi, Srinivasulu, please type all of you. My dear faculty members, it is my request. Please open all of you YouTube and type Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu. Enter. So Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu, please enter. Okay. So now click this one. Please subscribe my channel. How many videos are there? Please see. 248 videos are there. Okay. Yeah. Now go to my videos. You will find n number of videos. See how many videos are there on data science and big data technologies, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning, and how to create the best research article using AI and ICT tools. Okay, please subscribe my channel. My dear students, you have a mobile phone. Please type Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu. See, cyber security and big data technologies, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning, cloud computing, natural language processing, computer networks, and information retrieval, and many subjects. Okay, data mining and data warehousing. See, cyber Siksha. I have given cyber security training. See how many videos are there? 250 videos are there. Big data analytics. See, I'm explaining various videos. Big data analytics using Spark. Okay, and data science. So these are various videos of how many members? Only 10 members subscribed so far. What about remaining? Hello, my dear faculty members, please subscribe my channel.
Done, sir, done.
Done, sir.
Only 10 members. 10 members only subscribed so far. What about remaining, my dear students? Type my name, Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu. Okay. So this is my channel and this is my contact address. Hello. This is my contact address. Right now I am working at University of Newcastle. All over the world, I have explained many contemporary technologies. It is at Thailand, it is at Singapore, and it is at Bangalore. It is at keynote speaker at Geetham, and it is a keynote speaker at one of the engineering college. It is a resource person. This is a jury member in one of the college. Then one keynote speaker at SITM. Then a doctorate at JNTU Anantapur. Then a Bharat Vidya Ratan Award from Delhi, 2018. Then this is the ITAP Best IT Teacher Award. Then Best Spoke, Best Local Chapter Award, IIT Madras. This is the award I got it from IIT Madras. Then international seminar at Salem, Gautam Engineering College. Resource person at ISER Tirupati, Indian Institute of Science Education and Research. Then Sangam University. Then ABS College, Ghaziabad. Then Jaya Engineering College, Maharshi Markandeya University, Blue Crest University, Oman. This is a big data analytics using Spark, Oman. This is at the Blue Crest University. This is a Ural Federal University, Russia. I have given at Russia. Then Blue Crest University, big data application using PySpark. This is at Ural Federal University, Russia. This is at Blue Crest University. This is at Bharati Dasan University, This is Lord's Institute of Engineering Technology. This is at Bluecrest University. Data science using R programming. Then Reva University, Bangalore. Then Karpaga Vinayaka College of Engineering. Vijnana Bharati Institute of Technology. And 43 countries meet at one place, research conclave at Liberia. Then Krishna University, Machilipatnam, KL University, Vijayawada, and then CREC Engineering College, and Annai College of Arts and Science, CIET Engineering College, Annamacharya Institute of Technology and Science, Cyber Security Applications using Python at Bluecrest University, Cyber Security, and the Maharshi Markandeya University, Mobile Application Development using Python, Met Institute of Arts and Science, and Reva University.
Sir.
Yeah, it is at 1 minute, 5 minutes, madam. Reva, this is woman. I have given presentation, and VET IAS, and this is at one of the Maharashtra Engineering College. This is at SSN Engineering College, Maharshi Markandeya University, SKC, LNCT Bansal, Ravindra College of Engineering, Vikrant Group of Institution, Gwalior, Indore. So, Sairam Engineering College, Cyber Security Application using Python, Mahindra College. See, these all are various all over the world. 200 and this is a 249th presentation I am giving. This is your college. This is your college. See now. Hello, madam. This is your college, Galgotia University. Today's topic: natural language processing applications using machine and deep learning techniques. And the next coming one, international conference with collaboration Sri Lanka and India. We are going to organize.
So can we have some queries, sir? So can we have some queries?
Sure. So with this one, I am closing my session. Yeah. Any doubts, please ask me now. First of all, whether you are understanding my concept or not, please tell me. Hello, any queries? Hello, sir. Hello. Hello.
Sir, are you audible? Sir, we are audible?
Yes. Now it is audible. Please invite queries, sir, from students and faculty members. Yeah, please. Any queries? My dear students, my dear faculty members, please ask me any queries.
The madam is asking questions, sir.
Yeah, please, sir. Give mic to her, sir.
Sir, am I
Madam. Now it is audible, madam. Please ask me.
Okay. Sir, how to perform NLP on Indian languages?
Yeah, just now I have explained by using machine translation and Google Trans library you can use, madam. Whatever the language, if you are choosing and what type of application you are going to develop, there are n number of libraries like Google Trans, Microsoft are available. You can perform on a study of different languages, especially in Indian languages. You can work and find the accuracy, whether your machine translation is working or not. You can calculate. There are n number of libraries there, madam.
Sir, suppose we are working on text summarization and we want to work on some Indian language. Let's take a Telugu only. So what will be the language constraints that will come across while implementing the text summarization for that?
Yeah, suppose if you are taking a Hindi language, there are some, see, if you are taking Hindi language, if you are doing text summarization, so there are some challenges like ba, ba, like some words are very difficult to translate with alphabets and consonants. So you need to take care of those challenges, and you need to write your own script by using machine libraries like Google Trans. You can use Google Trans. You can perform various Indian languages study. Very good question, madam. Very good question. Next.
Using some translation models that won't be working on the Indian language, that will be working on the English only. If we
Yes,
translate the
madam.
data set with some input into other language, it will be working on the English only. If we use the translation.
Yes.
But we don't
Yes,
want to
madam.
use the translator. We want to work on Hindi language directly.
Yeah. Very good question. You need to develop your own translator now. For each for each Hindi letter, you need to write code and you need to develop your own translator. Like Google Trans, it is translating English. You are telling correct only. One language to another language, here English. But in Indian languages, you need to develop your own package. So for each letter in Hindi and each word, each sentence, you need to develop a code. Then you need to work on that code, whether it is performing text summarization or not properly. Madam, somebody is talking. See, continuously talking, somebody is talking. Hello?
Sir, please continue.
Some disturbance is coming, madam. Are you understanding,
Sir,
madam?
actually, the
Yeah.
student having a class. So the session is now time to conclude because they are having a lectures.
Okay, no problem, madam. Okay.
Okay.
Any doubts?
Thanks.
Any doubts from the students' point of view? Please give
Student,
them
would you
mic.
like to having any query? Okay. So, sir, on behalf of the NLP Research Group, I would like to extend our heartfelt gratitude to Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu for gracing us with his presence and sharing his expertise during the enlightening expert talk of natural language processing application using machine learning and deep learning techniques. She rewards through comprehensive understanding a practical insight into NLP technique through machine learning and deep learning approaches have undoubtedly enriched our knowledge and expanded our horizon. His hands-on session empowered to gain a proficiency in implementation in NLP application like part of the speech tagging, text summarization, and many other applications during the session. So we have also get a knowledge about the popular libraries such as NLTK, TensorFlow. Moreover, Dr. Srinivasulu's exploration of advanced NLP application topic has been both insightful and inspiring, paving the way for future innovation in the field. Once again, we extend our sincere thanks to Dr. Srinivasulu for his invaluable contribution and unwavering commitment to academic excellence. We are immense grateful for his time, expertise, and dedication to advancing and understanding our natural language processing research area. Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving your valuable time to us.
Thank you, madam. Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Thank you
Thanks,
once
sir.
again. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Sir, you can leave, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Sir, please stop the record session and send me that link, sir.
Sure.
Namaste.
Thank you,
Namaste.
sir.
Okay.
कर दिया था ना? सर, किसने करना है? किसने नहीं करना है? स्टॉप कर दो रिकॉर्डिंग